Hi everyone, this is Melissa Moak again, and this is, I believe, our final application for the MegaDesk. For this week, we were joined up as a team, me and Chris Brown, who's my partner for this application, teamed up and added just a couple of things to the MegaDesk. The look and feel of the application hasn't changed too much from the last time I showed it, but a lot of the back end has changed. So last week when we would add a quote, it would add that quote to a TXT file here. We've now done away with that and have made it a JSON file. So let me kind of explain. So if I were to put in here Melissa and the desk width of 45, 34, select the number of drawers, maybe it'll be a veneer, and maybe no rush days, and we'll hit submit quote. Okay, so looking at this, material type veneer, number of drawers 4, February 10th, if I were to open up my JSON here, notice it added it down here at the very bottom. We have Melissa, the quote date is the 10th of February, the material name was veneer, and I need to move that over a little bit. The rush days were 0, the quote price was $10.55. So that just kind of shows that it's now working in this JSON file rather than in our text file from last week. So that changed a little bit how everything comes in. So if I were to now go view the quotes, I've actually changed how this view quotes works a little bit, made it a little cleaner with the columns and names at the top here, but you can see here at the bottom there's our February 10th veneer desk quote. You can also go search for it same way, and I've also changed the way this works as well so that it looks nice. And you can see that there's our quote that we just put in. Something else that we added to the program because it was causing issues is that if you try and submit the quote without putting anything in, you get an alert that all the fields are required, and therefore you get to go put them in. So if I hit it again, it's still required, and it still keeps what I had here, since it's just an alert. And it won't actually submit the form until that's done. The other thing that we did for this week was the rush options here at the bottom. Instead of storing the rush options in a single array, or a double array, we're actually storing them in a file and then pulling them into that 2D array, which makes it nice so that if those change, we can change it in the file rather than having to change it in the program itself, and it makes it a little nicer. We also changed our desk class to be a desk structure to make it I guess, see the comparison between a structure and a class. So that's what we did for the assignment this week. And I hope you have enjoyed this demo video.